Hey folks, Bob here again. We got us a GTO. It says do not touch. Don't touch it. I don't blame you. Oh, we got a set of red lines on this one. This is a 1967. Oh, we got a stick, folks. Look at there. Oh, look at that door panel. It's got GTO on it. See that? Nice, very nice.
You guys do it?
GTO. Nice looking tail end on these cars. Slip through here. Got a tack on the console down there. Pontiac. It's a nicely done car. They put mirrors on the ground so you can see up under the car. GTO. 67. And we got power brakes on this car as well, and factory air conditioning on this one. It appears to be factory. It's got factory parts anyway. Turn back and get you a look at the nose of this thing. And that wheel there is a beautiful wheel. It's similar to the Magnum 500s you see on the Mopars. All right, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll move on to the next one.